Mastering Money 7 Universal Lessons for Financial Success. Money affects everyone, no matter where you live. It doesn't matter if you're in a tiny village or a bustling city, we all use money to get by, but here's the thing. Mastering money isn't about being born rich, it's about understanding the rules of the game and using them to create the life you want. That's what financial literacy is all about. It's your roadmap to freedom. Think about it. Financial freedom means being able to pursue your passions, take care of your loved ones, and sleep soundly knowing you're financially secure. It's about having choices and options that wouldn't be possible otherwise. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 universal lessons that can help you achieve just that. We'll break down complex financial concepts into bite-sized pieces, making it easy for you to understand and apply them to your own life. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of it all. Budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of any solid financial plan, and it's the first step towards achieving financial freedom. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Budgeting? Sounds boring, but bear with me because it doesn't have to be. But trust me on this one. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can make it work harder for you. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. The first step is simple. Track your expenses. This means keeping a record of every single dollar you spend. And I mean everything, that daily coffee, those impulse buys, the whole 9 yards, every little expense adds up, and it's important to see the full picture. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. The tool you choose doesn't matter as much as the consistency with which you use it. The key is to be consistent. Make it a daily habit to track your expenses, and soon it will become second nature. Once you have a handle on your spending, it's time to create a budget that aligns with your goals. This is where you start to see the real benefits of budgeting. A popular method is the 50/30/20 rule. This simple guideline helps you allocate your income in a balanced way. This means allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a flexible framework that can be adjusted to fit your unique situation. Needs are your essentials. Things like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, and transportation. These are the non-negotiables in your budget. Wants are the fun stuff. Dining out, entertainment, travel, the things that bring you joy. It's important to allocate money for these activities to maintain a balanced and enjoyable life. And of course, savings and debt repayment are crucial for building a secure future. This is where you prepare for emergencies and plan for long-term goals. Remember, this is just a guideline. It's a starting point that you can tweak to better suit your personal financial situation. You can adjust the percentages based on your individual circumstances and priorities. The goal is to create a budget that is realistic and sustainable for you. The most important thing is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track. Budgeting might not be the most exciting topic, but it's the essential first step to gaining control of your finances and setting yourself up for success. It's the foundation upon which you can build your financial future. So, take the time to create a budget that reflects your goals and watch your financial well-being soar. With a solid budget in place, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom and peace of mind. We live in a world where relying on a single source of income is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. It's a risky endeavor that can leave you vulnerable to unexpected changes and challenges. One unexpected event, a job loss, an illness, a global pandemic, can throw everything off balance. These unforeseen circumstances can disrupt your financial stability and create a ripple effect that impacts every aspect of your life. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. By having multiple sources of income, you can cushion the blow of any single setback and maintain a steady flow of financial resources. Think of it like this. Instead of relying on one giant paycheck, you're creating multiple streams of income flowing into your bank account. This approach not only spreads the risk, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and financial security. This not only provides a safety net, but also accelerates your path to financial freedom. Diversifying your income can help you achieve your financial goals faster and with greater confidence. So, how do you build multiple income streams? Well, the possibilities are endless. From leveraging your existing skills to exploring new ventures, there are countless ways to create additional income. You could start a side hustle, freelance your skills, invest in real estate, or even explore the world of online business. Each of these options offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and interests. For instance, the world of online business is vast and varied. You could start an e-commerce store, become a digital marketer, or even create and sell your own products. Let's say you're passionate about photography. Why not monetize that skill by offering portrait sessions, selling prints online, or even teaching photography workshops? The key is to find what you love and turn it into a profitable venture. Teaching workshops can be particularly rewarding, as it allows you to share your knowledge and passion with others while generating income. Or maybe you're a whiz at coding. You could freelance as a web developer, taking on projects that interest you and fit your schedule. Additionally, you could create and sell online courses, sharing your expertise with a global audience and generating passive income. Or build and monetize your own apps, tapping into the ever-growing market of mobile technology. The key is to identify your skills, interests, and resources, and find creative ways to turn them into income-generating opportunities. By leveraging what you already know and love, you can create a diverse and resilient financial portfolio. Remember, even a small side hustle can make a significant difference over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest, which we'll talk about in the next chapter. So start small, think big, and watch your financial future flourish. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in finance: compound interest. It's been called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Compound interest is essentially interest earned on interest. It's like a snowball effect for your money. Here's how it works. Let's say you invest $1,000 in an investment that earns a 10% annual return. After the first year, you'll have earned $100 in interest, bringing your total to $1,100. But here's where the magic happens. In year 2, you're not just earning interest on your initial $1,000 investment, but also on the $100 in interest you earned the previous year. As you can see, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can add up to significant wealth in the long run. Chapter 4. Avoiding debt traps. Don't let debt control your life. Debt can be a powerful tool when used strategically, like when taking out a loan to invest in a property or start a business. It can provide the necessary capital to seize opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach, but it can also be a slippery slope that leads to financial stress and instability. Many people find themselves overwhelmed by debt, struggling to make ends meet, and unable to save for the future. The key is to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Recognizing this distinction can help you make informed financial decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Good debt is an investment that has the potential to generate future income or appreciate in value, like a business loan or a mortgage on a rental property. These types of debt can help you build wealth over time. Bad debt, on the other hand, is typically high-interest consumer debt that doesn't offer any long-term financial benefits, like credit card debt or payday loans. These debts can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. The best way to avoid falling into debt traps is to be mindful of your spending habits, prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, and avoid relying on credit cards for everyday purchases. Creating a budget and sticking to it can also help you stay on track. Remember, credit cards should be used strategically, not as a crutch for overspending. By being disciplined and making smart financial choices, you can take control of your debt and secure a more stable financial future. Chapter 5. Saving versus investing: short-term needs, long-term growth. Saving and investing are both essential components of a solid financial plan, but they serve different purposes. Saving is all about setting aside money for short-term goals or emergencies, while investing is about putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow over the long term. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account like a high-yield savings account. This will act as your emergency fund, providing a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. Once you have a comfortable emergency fund in place, you can start shifting your focus to investing. Investing involves putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, with the goal of generating long-term returns and building wealth. Chapter 6. The Mindset of Wealth: Cultivating Abundance from Within. Here's the thing about wealth. It starts in your mind. It's not just about how much money you have in the bank, but also about your beliefs, habits, and relationship with money. Cultivating a wealth mindset is about adopting a growth mindset, embracing lifelong learning, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. One of the most important things you can do is to invest in yourself. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses, and constantly seek new knowledge and skills. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, both personally and professionally. Another key aspect of a wealth mindset is networking. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, and seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. Remember, your network is your net worth. Chapter 7. Your journey starts today. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of budgeting and diversifying your income, to the power of compound interest and cultivating a wealth mindset. Remember, financial success isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your goals. Start by implementing one small change at a time. Create a budget, explore a side hustle, or commit to investing a small amount each month. The key is to take action and be consistent. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from the nitty-gritty of budgeting to the mindset shifts that can transform your relationship with money. Remember those key takeaways? Track your spending, make your money work for you through side hustles and investments, and let the magic of compound interest work its wonders. Your journey to financial success starts today. Take the first step. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it'll never come. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial well-being flourish. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who could benefit from these tips. Subscribe for more videos on mastering your money and living a richer life.